Environmental studies. We discuss about now ecosystem. Ecosystem means the interrelationship between living organisms and non-living things in environment is called ecosystem. The term ecosystem was introduced used by A.Z. Tansley. It consists of biotic and abiotic components. All living organisms, whether plants or animals or human beings, is surrounded by the environment on which it derives its needs for its survival. Each living component interacts with non-living component for their basic requirement from different ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. The term structure refers to the various components. So the structure of an ecosystem explains the relationship between biotic and abiotic components. An ecosystem has two major components: biotic component, that means living component; abiotic component, non-living components. Biotic components. Biotic components. Biotic components. The living organisms. The living organisms living members in an ecosystem collectively from is commonly called biotic components. Living organisms commonly called biotic components. Living organisms like plants, animals, microorganisms, these all are biotic components. The living organisms of an ecosystem are known as biotic components. The biotic components include plants, animals, microorganisms. The living organisms of biotic components are three types: producers, consumers, and decomposers. The members of biotic components of an ecosystem are grouped into three based on how they get food. One is producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers. Living organisms. Living organisms which can synthesize their own food are called producers. Synthesize their food themselves through photosynthesis plants. For example, all green plants, trees. All the green plants are producers. They can produce their own food in a process of known as photosynthesis process. They are called autotrophic organisms. The reaction of photosynthesis 6 CO2 plus 6H2O gives rise sunlight. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. This process is called photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. Consumers. The organisms which can use plants or animals or both as their food are called consumers. So they depend on plants or animals for their food. They are called heterotrophic organisms. The consumers are divided into three types based on their feeding habits. They are primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. Primary consumers. The plant eaters are called primary consumers. Primary consumers also called herbivores. They directly depend on the plants for their food, so they are called plant eaters. For example, insects, rat, goat, deer, cow, horse, etc. Secondary consumers. The animal eaters are called secondary consumers. Secondary consumers are primary carnivores. They feed on primary consumers. They directly depend on the herbivores for their food. For example, frog, cat, snake, fox, cat, lion. Tertiary consumers. The organism which can eat both plants and animals are called tertiary consumers. For example, human beings, deer, lizards, are tertiary consumers. Primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumers. Decomposers. The organism which can decompose large organic compound into simpler compounds are called decomposers. For example, bacteria, fungi. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose, attack the dead bodies, are producers and consumers and decompose them into simpler compounds. During the decomposition, inorganic nutrients are released. The inorganic nutrients together with other organic substances are then utilized by the producers for the synthesis of their own food. Second type, abiotic components are non-living components. Abiotic components are non-living components. The non-living compounds and of ecosystem collectively form a community called abiotic or non-living components. Example, climate, soil, water, air, energy, nutrients. They include the energy, climates, raw materials, living space that the biological community needs. They are useful for the growth and maintenance of its members. Example, air, water, soil, sunlight. Abiotic component, the non-living environment of ecosystem known as abiotic component. Abiotic components is divided into following parts. First one, inorganic component like CO2, water, nitrogen, calcium, sulfur, phosphorus, phosphate, so on. Organic components of abiotic components: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and amino acids. Climatic factors: temperature, humidity, wind, etc. These are abiotic components of three types: inorganic, organic, climatic factors. These are ecosystems of biotic and abiotic component. Biotic components are three types: producers, consumers, decomposers. Abiotic components also three types: inorganic component, organic component, climatic components. These are ecosystems. So, thank you.